Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be opening a Evolving Skies Pokemon pack. So here we go. I'm gonna cut a little bit of a sliver, I guess. Okay, now let's just tear it. I might get something good, I might not, but it doesn't really matter. Ooh, it's a green, so still do the card trick. I think it's 4. Yeah, it's 4. Okay. Here we go. Fire Energy, Ursaring, Crystal Cave, Toy Catcher, Hitmonchan, Fletchling, Tentacool, Pikachu, Seedot, another Seedot, and a Lilligant non-holo. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.